Saturday morning. That means it's personal project day. It is not Stumpy Saturday today. I'm gonna have two things going on today. Phil's Diplomat, aka Jailbird. Getting the Kaiser out of the way here. This is Phil's 51 Kaiser. I'm gonna chop this bad boy, make a little lead sled out of it. But that's long term, but that's his daily. We got to get that thing back up and running ASAP. We're LS swapping that. 85 Dodge Diplomat. Already got the custom motor mounts made, got a 4L60 in it. Kind of just do the final assembly stuff. Ethan will be working on this today. We're gonna get him set up on some cosmetic projects. Have him scrub it down. Get this crud off of it. Polish out this paint a little bit and get this thing looking sweet. See if she fires up. Been sitting a couple days. I have not put a new battery in it. Like a charm. Get these windows rolled down. Look at that luxury right there. Still getting that thing going. I'm gonna say this Caddy actually sounds pretty good in stock form. It's not bad. Bit of a dog. Can't even burn out. Probably needs a full service. Definitely all new fluids, plugs. We already got that stuff ordered for him. And then probably some injectors cleaned. Park this bad boy next to the Viper. The supercharged Viper next to the supercharged Ford GT. Next to the supercharged level of luxury of the 96 Cadillac sedan. And those windows are quick. I gotta hand it to him, man. This is a pretty damn good car. This thing was well under $1,000. About 700 bucks. Plus a couple hundred for the fuel pump, which you can definitely get them way cheaper. But the couple $100 one was here the next day from the parts store. We needed to drive it off the trailer. I wasn't about to be pushing this thing around. It's, you know, 4,500 pounds, I think. Into this car for under $1,000, and it's completely drivable. I don't really, some of the styling on the windshield and stuff, little point, I don't really care for, but I mean, I love this stuff. The big, beautiful hinges and handles, you know, this thing's cool. Interior's pretty neat too. I mean, other than it being absolutely roached out, but chop, drop, two-door convert this thing. Hood ornament on backwards, absolutely hideous right now. The original one, pretty cool. Eesh. The interior is pretty sweet, man. It's like luxurious. It's like sitting in a lazy boy. Stolen Valor Super B emblem on here. All right, Ethan finally decided to show up for work today. Looking pretty good, just with the pressure washer.
Coming out good.
Careful on your good paint. Don't get too close with the pressure washer.
Like up here,
you nail it.
nail it.
Yeah, nail it. Yeah, because that stuff's gonna come off. But your side paint's good, so you don't want to damage it with the pressure washer. So we'll just soap and water that. There's step stool in there. Damn, bro, you touching the waterproof capacity of the GoPro already? All right, Mayo, give us an update. What have you been doing?
Clay barring the HUD.
All right, clay barring it?
Yeah. Make the
all right.
pop so I can polish it.
This is post pressure washing, correct?
Yeah.
Pressure wash only right here. This is clay bar only. This is clay bar and buff, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is no longer Ethan. This is Mayonnaise, Mayo for short, and this is Silky Johnson. Silky for short because that's an innuendo and we can't have him getting in trouble. Looking good though. All right, let's check in on the Saturday squad. Mayo's over here working on Silky. Got it looking pretty good, honestly. I mean, he's still clay barring this, getting all the junk out of the paint. And then he's buffed a little section here. Looks pretty good. You get the rest of the hood buffed out. Looks like he's moved on to the interior. Mayo, tell us what you're doing.
Well, I did tough stuff on the interior to bring the cream color back and get all the dirt off.
Yeah, that door came out pretty good, dude.
Yeah, all the doors came out pretty good. The leather is a little, it needs it's like a leather conditioner.
Saddle soak?
Yeah, it needs that.
Yeah.
It needs to soak for a little bit and then it'll come back better than it does.
They make a nice little soft abrasive disc type tool that is for scrubbing interiors. We'll look into that too. That might be something because it gets it out of the pores, you know. It goes on the end of a drill. Split in your armrest, you can have that repaired.
Really?
Yeah, you take that to an upholstery guy and he can either make you the new top piece, in which case now you got some customization. You want to do a little gator, a little snake skin or something maybe, or he can just match it. How's she looking, man?
Interior looks good.
Yeah.
About to vacuum it out and clean it out.
Smells good too.
Yeah. Got all the rat crap out of it.
Yeah. Phil's Diplomat. So look at this. This is, I think they called these Mopar J frames. So you've got, or J bodies. So these are the motor mounts. So for the 318, set straight down in there. Phil's got his engine. He painted it, was that Pontiac blue or something?
Pontiac metallic blue.
Pontiac metallic blue. I like it. I think it came out great. This is just a little 240,000 mile 5.3, doing the usual, replacing all the stuff except for the bearings. So basically staying out of the rotating assembly and the pistons. But Phil's got his heads, obviously going to re-gasket it. So we got the new springs for a TSP Bald Eagle cam. That was just a cam we had laying around the shop out of a blown motor. The cam's still good. We'll throw that in there. It should sound freaking badass. These are the motor mounts we came up with. So I designed these in CAD. They sit about like that, so you can see that vertical stanchion of some sort. But that's them. These pieces designed in CAD and then plasma cut, and then I just bandsawed out some angles. I don't think this is the final version that we're gonna use. We want to incorporate these like weld-in universal motor mounts, so we're gonna solid mount the engine for now. And I've also looked into it. You can get different stiffness polyurethane, and we can make some 3D printed molds, and we can just make our own urethane, and we can essentially make our own version of this with a kind of not so racy feel. So that way, because these right now, these are a hard urethane, they're not much better than a solid motor mount. You can get different grades of urethane, different strengths, and you can get some that are have a little more vibration dampening ability. Turning this more into a fish mouth and then welding that tube in there, and then these will hang out. So these will get pulled in a little bit together in order to fit that between that cross member. Whipped these up really quick, took some measurements, took some eyeball type measurements, loaded it into CAD, came up with a design, and probably I'd say within an hour we had a prototype that we could fit up on the car with the mock engine block, and it worked out. It worked out really good. Making progress. Everybody's making little progress today. This is Phil's daily driver. It's been down for a while, so we got to get this thing back on the road. So what we're doing is gonna fix Mayo's dash real quick. So first, just wiped out underneath. Get any dust, residual dust and dirt stuff out of there. Get both sides cleaned up really good. I think honestly a nice dash pad will be the right answer.
Just gotta save up for it.
Huh?
Just gotta save up for it first.
Come on, mayonnaise, you have a job.
But
here.
You still gotta save up.
Alright.
Alright.
You ain't gonna get some overtime, dude. Skip school. Are you a senior?
Junior.
Oh. Still got 2 years. Now you got this stuff. Now this is gonna make you high. All right, this has got the fumes, the good fumes on that corner piece, and see if it holds it down. Not quite enough, but we'll hit it with the heat gun to give it a little pliability. I think it'll work. Just set it to probably like 250, 275, something like that. You're gonna wanna hit this area here. right in here. All right, bring it up to temp slow. Every now and then check the pliability of it. Yeah, keep going. All right, here. I'm gonna have a better angle on it. There we go. That's a generous amount. All right. All right, now warm it up again. Put this one on it. See if that'll hold it. Is it touching? Not quite yet. Alright, we went and got the big bore, the 3x3 solid billet. That seems to be working. Let's get this bad boy over here going. Take a sniff. Take a strong pull of that. Yeah, there you go. Get in there nice and deep. Follow it off, yeah. Throw that steel on there. Stack it all up. There you go. Look at the caddy luxury, dude. Bam.
Alright.
Boom. Double ashtrays. Cigarette lighter. Caddy look. It's luxurious. Yeah, dude. Beautiful wood grain. Still good. Bam. Look at this. Came out good. Everything came out pretty good. Alright, now we gotta find the cap for that glue.